All eyes are on the Supreme Court this morning. The end of the term is near, and the justices still have several high-profile cases to rule on.
And one of those cases is about the executive order President Trump signed attempting to end birthright citizenship. ABC 10 News reporter Adam Campos joining us here in studio. And Adam, multiple lawsuits were filed against the order, arguing that it violated the 14th Amendment.
Yeah, good morning, Jared and Mel. And of course, as we live in a binational region, this decision could impact many families here in San Diego. And birthright citizenship comes from the 14th Amendment, as you just heard from Mel. And if a person is born in the U.S., they are a U.S. citizen. President Trump, though, signed an executive order on the first day of his second term attempting to change that. And the order would prevent kids born in the U.S. from automatically getting citizenship if neither parent was a U.S. citizen or permanent resident at the time. The president has said this will only apply to any kids born after the order takes effect. But a legal expert I spoke with says there's a gray area with this. If the court sides with President Trump, it all depends on the language used. The court could either say to follow the executive order's plan for this to apply, or they could rule that anyone is subject to the order. And one immigrant advocacy group I spoke with says it's put a big weight on immigrant families here when this shouldn't even be a question.
We definitely reject the concept and idea that something that is in plain English can be challenged, but considering the formation or the character of the justices on that panel, anything's possible.
Now, lower courts paused the executive order, and after several legal challenges, it made its way to the Supreme Court. And in arguments in front of the court earlier this year, both liberal and conservative Supreme Court justices cast doubts about it. The court could make a final ruling on it this morning. If not, they have to decide by early July. So what comes next if the court sides with President Trump? It's a deeper answer than it looks. Next half hour, you'll hear from the legal expert I spoke with, who says this case is testing the powers of checks and balances.